Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro rise 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound rise 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes rose to one-week highs as optimism around AI-boosted semiconductor stocks and a report suggested the incoming Trump administration could adopt a less aggressive stance on tariffs than previously anticipated. MicroStrategy, the biggest corporate Bitcoin holder, announced a fresh purchase of 1,070 BTC made in the last 2 days of 2024. The company revealed the purchase on January the 6th, stating that it spent about $101 million in cash on December the 30th to the 31st, 2024. The Eurozone economy ended 2024 in a fragile state, according to a survey which showed overall activity contracted for a second straight month in December, as a modest recovery in the services industry failed to offset a deeper downturn in manufacturing.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's 10Y bond auction will be released at 3:35 GMT. The UK's 30Y bond auction at 10:30 GMT. The Eurozone's unemployment rate at 10 GMT. The US 3-year note auction will be released at 18 GMT. Japan's JP foreign reserves at 23:50 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 0:01 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.